Hey guys, I just made $500 in this platform. This is the latest platform where you can earn money by rating people's music. The more music you rate, the more money you make. Guys, this is awesome. Let me show you how you can start making money in this platform now. You can just click on the link in the description of this video. Get registered with your email address and create a password. So once you get registered, you're going to see different musics in this platform. You can see you earn money by rating this music. So if I click on this music now, you see score to get income. So you can click on this place now to score to get income. So the more music you rate, the more money you make. Guys, I'm going to show you how this works. Guys, I make withdrawals every day in this platform. As you can see my withdrawal proof in the screen now. This is just what I do every day, and I make withdrawals in daily basis. And you can join now and start making money for yourself. So if you want to start making money for yourself now, you can just come straight to this place. To rate music in this place, you need to buy or to join a special package. In this special, there are different special packages in this place. This ranges from 1 star package to 9 star package, as you can see it over here. So you can join any of this package here, and they have the package, they have the amount of money you'll be making in each of the package you join. So let me walk you through on how this packages work now. So come to home now, come to system tutorials over here. You see, we have 1 star package, we have 2 star package, we have 3rd star package till 9 star package. If you click on this 1 star package now, you're going to see more details of this 1 star package now. And if you look at this, you need 15 USD to subscribe to 1 star package, and your daily rating tax is just 2 tax. So in those 2 tax you are going to do, you'll be earning 0.5 USDT per tax, and you earn 1 USDT in those 2 tax, and this is going to last for 90 days, which means you are going to earn 90 USDT with just your 15 USDT. So guys, this is awesome. If you come to 2nd star package here, we're going to see that you need 50 USDT to join this 2nd star package, and your daily tax is 3 tax, and you'll be making 1.15 USDT in each of the tax, and the 3 tax you'll be making 3.45 USDT. So you are going to earn this for complete 90 days, and you see you'll be making 310.5 USDT with just your 50 USDT. Guys, this is awesome. They had the level, they had the amount of money you'll be making. So if you come down to this 6-star package now, you see you need 3000 USD to join this 6-star package, and your daily rating is 7 tasks, and you're making 35.7 USDT in each of the tasks and 250 USDT in the 7 tasks. So you're going to earn 250 USDT for complete 90 days, and the total money you're going to earn is 22,497 USDT. Guys, this is huge. You can join any of them that you wish to join now and start making money for yourself. So I'm going to unlock the 2nd star package now, so as I'll be withdrawing $3.4 every day from this platform. So if I want to join VIP here, and these are the special packages. So this is the one I want to join. I want to join the 2nd star package, which I'll be making 1.15 in each of the ratings, and this is 3 times, which is $3.4 every day in this platform. So if I want to join now, I'll come down to home. I'll first of all recharge my wallet with 50 USDT. So I'll click on this place to recharge my wallet. So choose the network that I want to use and recharge. So I'm going to recharge with TLC 20 USDT. So I'm going to copy this wallet address now. So I'll copy this wallet address now. I'm going to send 50 USDT to this wallet address. Welcome back, guys. I've recharged my wallet now. So if you come down to me here, you see this is my 50 USDT which I just recharged in my wallet. So I'll come back to VIP here and join the special package. So guys, since I already have 50 USDT in my wallet now, I'm going to join the 2-star package. So I'll click on this place to unlock. You see, confirm to unlock this package. I'll click on confirm. You see, update successful. So I'll click on this place now. So since I have upgraded my account to the 2-star package, I can choose any of these videos and rate 3 videos out of all these videos here. So I can choose any of them and rate 3, and I'm going to earn my daily earnings for those 3 videos. So I'm going to select the first video now and allow it to play. So once the stars come out, I'm going to give it 5 stars. You see, successful. Then I will go back and rate the second video. So click on the second video and allow it to play. So as it's playing, once the star come out, I'm also going to rate it and give it 5 stars. Success. I've completed the second task. I'll go ahead to do the 3rd task to play another video. So guys, I've completed 3 tasks now. So the next thing I'm doing is to go to me, and you see I've earned $3.45 now in this place. So I'm going to withdraw this money now to my wallet. Yes, if you need any help, you can contact the support through this help center here. So to withdraw this money now, just click on home, then you see withdraw, click on withdraw here, and it's going to open. So you can either choose to withdraw with TRC USDT or TRX or any of these method here, but I choose to withdraw with TRC 20 USDT. So I'm going to paste my wallet address in this place and then choose the amount I want to withdraw, which is 3.45 USDT. As you can see it up here. So I'll put 3.5 USDT and put my security password down here, and then after that I'll click on confirm and allow it to load. All right, withdrawal successful. So I'll go to my exchange now to know if this money has been deposited in my exchange. All right guys, you can see that this money has been deposited in my wallet, as you can see it over here. So that's how you can withdraw your money from this platform straight to your exchange. So guys, you can rush in and start making money for yourself. And apart from that, you can also make more money from inviting your friends to this platform. If you want to invite your friend, just come down to invite friends here, copy your referral link and share to your friends and earn 10% commission in every of your friends deposit in this platform. And if you continue inviting your friends every day to this platform, you are going to get the 6th level for free. By inviting your friends every day, you get the level 6 for free. So if you want to read more about this, please, you can just read the details here. Guys, this is awesome. You can just rush in and start making money for yourself, guys.